This week we are reading passage 411. It is called Bats, Flying Creatures of the Night. Bats are small furry animals that look like mice. Bats are the only mammals that are able to fly. Bats have unusual body parts. The joint bones of a bat's arm and hand are very long. There is a thin piece of skin called a flying membrane between the last 4 digits of a bat's fingers. This flying membrane looks like a webbed hand and it is used as a wing. Bats have a second piece of skin, or membrane, which connects their hand and ankle joints. A third membrane stretches between the bat's ankles and attaches to its tail. These pieces of skin stretch like an open umbrella over the bones of the bat's arms and fingers. In order to fly, bats use a type of motion called a flapping flight. A bat lifts and pushes itself up by lowering its wings down and pushing them forward. The bat stays in a horizontal position while it is flying. It almost looks like it's doing the swimming backstroke. Bats fly mostly at night. They are guided by reflected sound waves. This navigation system is called echolocation. Bats are able to send out supersonic sounds with a pitch higher than humans can hear. When these sounds hit an object, they make an echo. The bats hear the echo and change course so that they do not have a collision.